athletes. Today we're going to discuss something different. We're actually not going to go through a full workout, but we're going to talk about what do you want to do and how to structure a workout at home when you have a limited amount of dumbbells. For instance, the dumbbells behind me, I think they range from about 5 pounds to 30 pounds. It's a set I picked up on eBay for, I don't know, $150 a couple years ago. But that's generally what I use at home when I'm not at the gym and I need to get a quick workout in. So how do you do it? What do you concentrate on? And how do you get a full body workout? What you don't want to do, you don't want to do a bro workout. You don't want to cheat. You don't want to swing your body. You basically want to isolate all the muscle groups as much as you can and slow down the repetitions. What I want to do is show you some examples of exercises that I would do at home if I didn't make it to the gym. So I'm going to start with the exercises that mostly resemble the weight that I would use at the gym. So for example, if I was at the gym, I might be doing curls with 30, 35, maybe 40 pounds. Well, behind me over here, I have 30 pounders, so I can get a pretty good isolation curl going. So what you see me doing here is holding one dumbbell steady in isolation while the other one is slowly curling the weight up and down. And in this case, I'm using 25s. Always go to the max since they're a little lighter weight and go nice and slow. Get as many repetitions in as you can and then switch arms. Now from the arm exercise, I move straight into the tricep extension. So bend forward, bend down, keep your back nice and flat, your elbows all the way back, and then slowly extend and then bring your arms back. And extend and bring your arms back. Once again, really isolate the tricep muscle and slow down your movement because the weight might be a little bit lighter than what you're used to. But I assume with 25 and 30 pounds, it's not going to be that much lighter for this exercise, but it might be a little bit lighter. So once again, more time under tension, slow the movement down, and really work those muscles. From there, we're going to move down to our shoulders or up to our shoulders. And if you were doing shoulder presses maybe at the gym, you might use a little higher weight. Obviously, we don't have the higher weight here. To start our shoulder exercise with lateral raises. So arms a little bit in front of you, completely straight, and do not swing at all. This is not a swinging exercise, it's a shoulder exercise. So up and down, nice and easy. Up and down, nice and easy. And continue doing it once again to the max and really tire the shoulders out. Do not swing. Do not swing and take it nice and easy and nice and slow. What you want to do is start using compound exercises since the smaller muscles are getting tired from the previous exercises. So continue doing squat to shoulder press, nice and easy and nice and slow. After the shoulder press, we're going to continue using compound exercises from here till the end, and you can drop down and do some push-ups. Use the dumbbell as a push-up, get a full extension all the way down to the ground, pause a little bit at the bottom, and then a full extension all the way up. Once again, go all the way down, pause, and then extend slowly all the way up. Do as many as you can, and immediately after that, flip on over and start doing chest presses. Bring your dumbbells together to get a little more exertion on the chest and press forward and down. And once again, go to the max, go to the limit, go to failure at this exercise also. And the last exercise is going to be to finish off our legs. And since we don't have a lot of weight, the way to do this is to isolate each leg and also use the heaviest weights that you have. So maybe we'll go to lunges. You can do them forward, you can do them in reverse, or you can do both of them. Go forward and reverse with one leg, then switch up and go forward and reverse with the other leg. So isolate the leg, one leg at a time, just because we don't have the heavy weights that we normally would at the gym. This is the basic structure of these home workouts. Start with the exercises that mostly resemble the ones you would do at the gym in weight. Tire those muscles out and then move on to the more compound exercises. This will reduce the amount of repetitions you have to do during the compound exercises since you're going to be tired from the previous ones, and you'll still get a very good workout. So that pretty much concludes this session. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope this will help you out to structure your workouts at home. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next week.